So the first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the start icon over here, then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, then it's time to go to the next method. It's run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then go to the browse local files, and this will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator, and then hit on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or select Windows 7, and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expanded display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So if the driver is updated, so it will tell you the best drivers for your device is already installed, and if not, then you need to update your drivers, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Apart from this, the users of Nvidia and AMD can go through the link that I have provided in the description. Just open this link and update your graphics card to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to search option over, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, click on change settings, and here you need to search for the game application if added over here. So go below, search for the game. If not, don't worry, simply click on allow another app, then click on browse, and here you need to go to the game folder. Go to the game folder over here, Steam. And from here you need to select the game and then click on add. So it's saying it's already added, so let me find it. So here it is, and after that make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. So after this, try to launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option over here, search for check for updates, and this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if there is any update available and update your Windows to the latest version. Simply click check for updates, and this will check if there is any update available. After that, try to launch the game and check if it is working. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the integrity of game files, and after that, after verifying the files, now try to launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on general, and then in the launch option you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this works. If it doesn't, then type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, shadow quality, resolution, or reflections, or other things that directly impacts the game, so for that you need to choose windowed or borderless mode, and also disable or enable VSync in the game settings. So you need to go to Steam, click on play option, and click on settings, and from here you need to, if it is selected as full screen, you need to simply click on borderless or windowed mode, and then if VSync is off, simply enable it, and after that do other settings if it is required, and then click on confirm. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this solution resolves the issue. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the taskbar settings, click on task manager. Now under process tab, you need to find the apps that is of no use or running in the background and consuming high resources. Simply after selecting it, right click on it, click on end a task. So this will close the app that is running in the background, and after try to play the game and check if this helps. Next is to disable Steam Cloud. So for that, go to Steam, then click on Steam option over here, click on settings, then go below, click on cloud, and here it is enable Steam Cloud. It is enabled, so you simply need to click on it and it will be disabled. So after this, try to launch the game and check if this solution helps to fix the issue. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After it opens, simply download and install the latest Visual C++ files on your PC, and after that, try to log into the game and check if this solution resolves the problem. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. Now here you need to search if the game is listed over here. If not, then click on add desktop app and then go to the game folder where it has been installed, and you need to add the game to the list. So select your game and click on add. So it has been added over here. Now click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you need to select high performance, and after that try to play the game and check if it works. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option over here. So after uninstalling the game, now restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall the game, and after that try to play the game and check if it's working or not. So these are few solutions that are suggested to fix little nightmares to not launching, crashing, or showing other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.